Have you ever considered what makes the blood boil, the heart race, and the fists clench? Yes, we're talking about anger, an emotion as universal as it is complex. At its biological core, anger is a dance between different structures in the brain. The amygdala, the emotional processing center, stirs the pot, while the prefrontal cortex, the decision-making hub, tries to keep a lid on it. Then, there are the neurotransmitters, serotonin and dopamine, the body's internal mood regulators. When these chemicals get out of balance, they can turn the dial up on irritability and anger. Now imagine a threat looming on the horizon. The body kicks into gear, preparing to either stand its ground or make a quick getaway. This is the famed fight-or-flight response deeply rooted in our evolutionary history. Anger in this context can be seen as a survival mechanism, signaling boundaries, deterring aggressors, and asserting dominance. Yet anger isn't just a knee-jerk reaction. It's also about how we perceive and interpret the world around us. Cognitive appraisal, the process of evaluating situations as unjust, frustrating, or threatening, can fan the flames of anger. Here's where social and cultural norms step in, shaping how anger is expressed and perceived. In some cultures, anger is openly expressed, while in others, it is kept under wraps. The societal expectations and learned behaviors shape our responses to anger. Just as no two snowflakes are alike, individual differences play a significant role in anger. Some may have a short fuse due to genetic or environmental factors, while others might exhibit a zen-like calm in the face of frustration. And then there's learned behavior. How we express and manage anger is often a lesson learned from family, peers, and society. We mirror anger-related behaviors we have observed and internalized. Lastly, psychological factors can have a profound impact on our anger. Unresolved issues, like past trauma or chronic stress, can feed into anger-related behaviors. Feelings of powerlessness, perceived injustices, or unmet needs can all serve as kindling for the fire of anger. Remember, anger in itself is not the villain. It's a natural response to certain situations. But how we express and manage it can make all the difference to our well-being and relationships. Understanding the mechanisms of anger is a stepping stone to effective anger management strategies. And if anger becomes unmanageable, seeking support from mental health professionals can make a world of difference. So the next time the red mist descends, remember, it's not just about what's happening on the surface. There's a whole world of biological, evolutionary, cognitive, social, cultural, and psychological factors at play. Understanding them can help us navigate the stormy seas of anger with a little more grace and a lot less collateral damage.